Now once this has been done, after the formation of the equation, these two will be multiplied and then we will simplify it. So it will become 12x square minus 3x minus 20x plus 5 and minus 7 will be shifted on the other side. So the equation will become 12x square so equation will become 12x square minus 23x minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so this will be the equation. So once you will form it, then what is required that you will go for the midterm breaking and we will find the values of x. So midterm breaking, it will become 12x square. You need to make the factors of minus 24. So you will write it as minus 24x plus 1x minus 2 is equals to 0. So midterm breaking has been used. So x minus 2 plus 1 time will become x minus 2. So values will become x minus 2 and 12x plus 1. So this will complete the factorization. Once the factorization is done, you have to find the values of x one by one or separately. So this is how you will find the values. X equals to 2. So in this way, you will first find the values of x. We were asked to find the values, and I am telling you that if it is in the statement of the question that if it is not a number, then you need to okay. So we have obtained these two values, x equals to 2 and x equals to minus 1 by 2. So these are the two values. So we are working with exercise 2.8 and question number 4 is in progress. So there will be the two possibilities that either number is equals to 2 or number is equals to minus 1 by 2. Both are the valid answers because we do not have any condition of positive number. So both of these two will be considered as the correct answer. What we will do that we will assume that let number is equals to some x. And then the reciprocal of the number, that is always written as 1 over x. This is called the reciprocal. And you have to take the difference according to the condition or the question. We need to write the condition that difference of the number and its reciprocal. So number is equals to x and its reciprocal is 1 by x. So you will do the difference like this one, right? Reciprocal number and its reciprocal is equals to 15 by 4. So we will substitute equals to 15 by 4. You also have to keep it in your mind that we do the subtraction or the difference because difference is already written in positive form. Keep it in your mind that reciprocal of, for example, this is for example, like 5 is a number, then its reciprocal is 1 by 5. Fine. So normally we do the subtraction from bigger number, smaller number is subtracted from the bigger number. So you have to do the difference. First is 5 and then you will write 1 by 5. So that's why I have assumed that let number is equals to x and its reciprocal is equals to 1 over x. So that's why I have subtracted x minus 1 over x equals to 15 over 4 in the condition. I have subtracted reciprocal from the number. To make the thing simpler, that's why I have written x minus 1 over x. If you will write 1 over x minus x, then the condition or the equation will become wrong. So do the difference from bigger number will be taken first and then the smaller number will be written after that. Now how to proceed it? You first have to form the equation to simplify it. So you can see that it is a bracket. Simply take LCM or get it multiplied by LCM. So it will become x square minus 1. I have taken LCM. And this is 15 by 4. Now place the bracket separately and do the cross multiplication to simplify the expression. It will become 4x square minus 4, 15x, and 4x square minus 15x plus minus 4 is equals to 0. So what will you do? That you will simply factorize this expression. That will generate 4x square minus 16x minus 16x plus 1x minus 4 equals to 0. Simply midterm breaking. So if you take out 4x common, it will become x minus 4. And if you take 1 common, it will be x minus 4 again. So the answer will be x minus 4 and 4x plus 1 equals to 0. So we will obtain two values of x. One will be x equals to 4 and other one will be x equals to minus 1. So these are the two numbers which have been asked in this question. Okay, the statement was quite simple. So we will assume that two numbers or two integers are x and y. We will assume two numbers are there. And according to the condition number 1, because two unknowns are required, so actually two conditions are given. This is condition number 1, that difference of these two numbers is equals to 4. So this is the first information or the first condition. And another condition is written, that is difference in the squares is equals to 72. This is the second condition. Now keep it in your mind that whenever you need to find two unknowns, you should have two equations. So otherwise you won't be able to find the answer. So how many number of unknowns are there? According to that, there should be number of equations. For example, if in the same question it has been asked that find three numbers, and obviously you will be forming three numbers will be like x, y, z. So then there should be three conditions or three equations to find x, y, z. Otherwise you will not be able to find. Anyways, whenever you are solving equation, how many number of unknowns are there? Number of unknowns 2, then there must be two equations. If three unknowns are there, there must be three equations. Otherwise you will not be able to find the answers. So I have written these two equations, first one and the second one. So what is required now? We have done in exercise 2.7 quite complex problem. One is linear, other one is quadratic. So by using this fact, we will find the solution. So how I will proceed, that I will take first equation, that x equals to 4 plus y. I am deriving value of x from first equation and I will put it into the second equation. Let's suppose this is equation number A. X equals to 4 plus y, and you name it as equation number A. And you put it in equation number 2. So I'm writing equation number 2 employs that. Where there is x, I will substitute 4 plus y. So this is 4 plus y square minus y square equals to 72. So I have put or substituted in equation number 2. I have derived the value of x in terms of y in from equation number 1, and I have substituted in equation number 2. Now this whole expression will be converted in terms of y. We will first solve by expanding the square, and then we will convert into simple quadratic equation in terms of y. So you will notice here that by expansion, these two will be cancelled. Y square will be cancelled with plus y square. And we are having only 8y and 56 equals to 0. So if you subtract the constants, you will get 72 and 16 are simplified. It will give you minus 56. And if you take out 8 common, it will become 8 minus 7. And you divide 8 on other side, 0 by 8 will become 0. So y minus 7 equals to 0. And from here you will get value of y, that is y is equals to 7. So you have calculated the value of y. Now what you should do, that you should put it in equation number A, that I always prefer. So write equation number A, that x equals to 4 plus y. Now put y in this equation number A, that is 4 plus 7. So it will become 11. So the two numbers we have calculated, the answer is over. Two numbers or two digits are, or two integers are x and y. That is 11 comma 7. This is how you will finish the statement of the question. X. And similarly, I don't know which is a digit at tens place, so I will assume digit at tens place is equals to some number y. Fine. So as mentioned above, if I have to form the number in terms involving x and y, for example, so unit place number should be multiple of 1, as I have explained you in the above example, and tens place number should be multiple of 10. So the assumed number or supposed number will actually become 10y plus x. This will be, you can say, some original number, because we will form some other thing as well. So let me write it in this format. So I am just highlighting it as equation number 1 or part number 1. This is, I have formed a supposed number by using alphabets x and y.